How to set up automatic payment for Morgan Stanley credit card. Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you the ways to set up automatic payment for Morgan Stanley. So you can set up an automatic payment for Morgan Stanley credit card. So here's a general guide on how you can do it. First of all, you need to go and log in into your online banking account. When you're logged into your account, that is going to take you to the home page. Now from the payment or billing section in your account dashboard, you need to find the options for automatic payment or auto pay. This is typically found under the payment settings or similar settings. Now likewise, select whether you want to pay the minimum amount due or the statement balance or a custom amount. You could also choose the frequency of the payment, and you could provide the bank account information from which you want the payment to be deducted. Then you need to double check all the details and confirm the setup of the automatic payment. If you encounter any issues or need assistance, you can contact Morgan Stanley customer service for help with setting up the automatic payment. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.